Sir. This one, do you want to buy our new product?
What's this?
This one is, we call it Tenusby.
What's Tenusby?
Tenusby is a combination of ball pen and USB, and it is stable to use for students and busy students. And it's not easily to lose, and it is really portable and comfortable.
Okay.
Oh,
Here.
thank you.
Okay, thanks. I'll introduce to others.
Thank you.
Sorry. My USB. Are you having trouble finding your USB? Try my Tenusby. It's so useful and you're not